Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck!
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator. Yeah, we get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. Wait, just before.
Milk gives me gas.
Here, it's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Melody, link your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long.
Our world will be perfect. Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
Locking coordinates.
It's Epcot. Somebody raise a race.
You're all heroes.
So, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
We're lying to them. Now I understand.